Hi everyone, Crimson here, and I'm redoing my tutorial video on how to use Remap. Let me get this clear right from the start this time. I don't endorse doing this, I don't use it myself, but I thought it would be quite helpful to show everyone how it actually would work. And yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. The footage you see in the background is me playing Rainbow Six Siege with a controller. I thought it was quite good footage, so yeah, I was testing my new game captures one evening, so it's not all that great. And first of all, I'll start out answering your questions, showing what equipment you need. It's not much, and then I'll be getting into the tutorial, showing you how to install everything, the setup of the system, and where to download all your mappings and how to set your mappings and all those things, also details. Then I'll be showing you some gameplay, and that should be about it. So let's get right into the questions. The first question I got was if you can use any mouse you'd like to. Yeah, you can use any mouse you'd like to. The mouse I'm using is a Razer Naga 2014. I think it's an excellent mouse, but theoretically you could actually use your trackpad. I've tried it, it's absolutely miserable. I'll have a picture of it on screen. The second question I got was if there's any lag. I haven't noticed any lag, there might be minimal amount, but so do Bluetooth controllers, they also have lag ever so slightly. And it works just fine. Well, I have quite fast internet, so I think it also makes a difference. I'll have put it over here, where I record it with my phone, see if it actually works, so you can see if I move my mouse, it shows move on screen. Also, very important side note, if you use this, don't use the PlayStation software, use the HDMI in from the PS4, otherwise you'll have lag. It's not much, but if you want to improve your game with your mouse, you don't want that additional lag, so you have to direct output like it is anyway. So now we're getting into the tutorial, and we'll need two programs, which will be these programs right here, Remap and PS4 Remote Play. Going through the installation and setup process. So we'll open up Chrome. I'll have all the links down in the description below. Go to this website from TMacDev's website and click purchase here, Remap, which is probably the most popular thing on here. Click on it, loads for a second, and since I've already got software, it'll click down. I can just click download and install the software. I've already got it installed, so I won't be doing that, and should be simple enough. And if you don't know if your PC has the specs for it, everything else will be listed down here below. So after installing both programs, you'll have to open Remap. When your first login, it'll ask you to register, or yeah, and here, got the login window, it's loading. It takes quite a while to open, don't spam it, it'll open like 100 windows. So yeah, let's wait for a second. And I'll just have to log in. Yeah, I don't think you usually have to do this, so I'll quickly log in. See you right back in a second. So, after logging in, it won't say remote play here. So you'll have to push select. And it'll probably put you onto the main screen here and in here. So I just have to open C:/program files 86, PlayStation 4 remote play, and then then click on PS4 and then remote play, and then select remote play.exe. So we'll do that together, and if I can find it, PC. There we've installed it, program files x86. Well, very quick mistake. Actually have to click on Sony, then PS4 remote play. Then you just select remote play.exe. Sorry about that. I'll have it written up on top. I'll push cancel because I've already got it. Select. Basically, you can press launch. After pressing launch, it'll say no DualShock 4 detected. Please connect DualShock 4 to your PC and try again. That's why we need the PS4 and connect it, and we should be ready to go. Just try again. Press launch, and it should launch PS4 remote play. Yeah, it's launching PS4 remote play right now. I have my PS4 running already, and I've connected it. Like it said, the steps how to do it. It's not that hard. I'd recommend actually going into your PS4 and then manually entering the number, because I had huge difficulties doing it over the internet. So yeah, so press the options button in here. I have a faulty cable, so yeah. So searching for PS4 nearby, and it's connecting to the PS4 already. Well, yeah, I think we should be connected. Well, regardless, for me it doesn't want to actually pop up, but that's actually not the problem here. So I'll switch over to my PS4 and actually see if it works. I thought I'd show you guys something, how to actually configure all of your inputs and things like that. That's why I'm sitting right now. Click on configure controller and open this little window here. I'll probably enlarge it. So yeah, all about mappings. You can create a new profile or anything like that, or delete profile, export a profile, or import it. So you can actually play on a USB stick and download the program anywhere you want and play anywhere you want. So yeah, you click mouse keyboard and push new mapping and put my DPS on my mouse down because I can't actually use it. D-pad right, you can then select which button on the PS controller you like to do. Let's say for example PS button, and binds to waiting for input. Let's say PS button is F12, which is quite nice. And if we search here, F12 is the PS button. That's how you can manually do it. And yeah, I like that mouse, things like that. And I'll quickly show you how to install profile. I'll have a link down in the description below. Here, this is a very nice profile which I'm using for Rainbow Six Siege. Press download, download it wherever you can find it. Then go to import profile. Takes a sec to open up, as per usual. Select where you've got it, press open, and it should be installed. You can then select Rainbow Six Siege, you can edit it however you want, and yeah. But something isn't complete yet. Probably have to go to mouse settings. These are the mouse settings he recommends on there. I highly recommend putting DPI up, because otherwise it doesn't work at all. You can't aim whatsoever. On your mouse, put the DPI as high as possible, because the smaller micro movements you do will actually register way better than actually skipping a lot of dots that actually could, and it makes it less chunky on the movements. So yeah, these are settings I have here, and hopefully it helps, and there'll be some footage next of some gameplay.
Reinforce the area. Hostiles regrouping. Hostile insertion. Keep the hostage safe. By hostiles.
They don't look so tough. Cover me! What's that?
Hostiles neutralized. Hostiles regrouping. Secure the hostage.
So we're in game here, and I'll quickly show you a quick test. I probably won't make it because I'm not used to playing it like this, but yeah, that actually is all that hard to get used to. So yeah, let's see how this works. I'm using Fuse just because why not? Side streets. Actually, glass would have been a better choice, but whatever. Yeah. Let's see how this works. As you see, the aim is way faster. I'm not exactly used to it, like I just said. 3 armor operator. Probably office. Oh wait, actually. It doesn't exactly feel like PC, but you'll get the aim quite quickly. And deploy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.